Platmart Swatches is getting variant support. Now it's possible to set up swatches not only for product groups, but also for product options and variants. Let me show you how to do it. Here I have test store with backpack with variants. It has two options, color and size. We have 3 colors and 2 sizes, and I want to set up swatches for all of them. For color, I want to have visual swatches. I want to have black, yellow, and red colors, and for size, I want to display buttons. When you navigate to Platmart Swatches app, now there is a new section that is available specifically for variants. It is called Variant Swatches. Inside this section, you will see all options that are used in the specific store. In our case, it is color and size. By default, variant swatches are turned off for all products. And I recommend starting from one or few products, test it first, and then enable it in the entire store. In our example, let's enable it for backpack with variants. We choose only selected products, and now we need to select our product, backpack with variants. The product is selected. Now we need to make sure our widget is active. Let's go to widget setup section, choose our theme, and enable app embed. App embed is saved, and we see this little message showing that in this place variant swatches will be displayed. Let's close it, check status, all good. Now if we open product page, we already see swatches provided by Platmart app. Right now they all are displayed as buttons. This is because by default swatch style is pill button, but we can easily change it. For color, let's assign colors. Here we use 3 colors, black, yellow, and red. Let's assign them a value. In swatch style selection, we can choose color or custom image. And now we can click configure button. Let's assign color for each value that we use. So first black, now red, and yellow. This should be fine. Let's save it. Option updated. And now if you open product page and reload, we can see visual swatches for each color that we assigned. Now, let's change the shape of swatches. I want them to be circle instead of rounded. Let's go to customize appearance. And here we can choose appearance of each swatch type. First, let's change color swatch to circle. And let's adjust size to be a little bit bigger. Everything else can be the same. For button swatches, let's make them rounded and increase font size a little bit. Everything else can stay the same. Save it. Now when we reload the page, we see these new shapes of swatches available instantly. What else do we support? For example, if instead of colors we want to use variant image, we can also do it. We need to go to variant swatches section and in swatch style select variant image. Now if we reload product page, we will see that swatches are displayed as variant image. Once you are confident with the setup and tested it on few products, you can enable swatches on all products. If you notice any issues, you can quickly disable it by choosing disable here. So that's variant swatches. Please give it a try and let me know what you think. If you need any help with the setup or have feedback, please let us know. See you in the next video. Bye.